Vajgiri. 30 caves have been carved from stones with huge gates. Ebhal Mandap, Sabhakhand and Chaityagraha are the best examples from sculpture and protection point of view. Cave architecture of Buddhist religion belongs to the 3rd century AD. Sana Cave. This group of caves is situated on the top of Sana mountain in Vankia village, Una Taluka in Gir Somnath district. These caves are spread on Sana mountain like beehive. Dhank Cave. Dhankgiri is situated in Dhank village of Upleta Taluka at Rajkot district. It is considered that they might have been built in the beginning of 4th century. Jhinjharijhar. There are many Buddhist caves in the west of Dhank. About 7 kilometers from Siddhsar is the valley of Jhinjharijhar. It is considered that they have been built in the 2nd century. Khapara Kodia Caves at Kutch. These caves are situated on the top of hill near Old Patgad in Lakhpat Taluka of Kutch. There are 2 caves. These are discovered by K.K. Shastri in 1967 AD. Caves at Kalia Dungar. There are 3 caves in Kalia Dungar at Jhagadia Taluka in Bharuch district. These are the best old architectured specimens of Buddhist religion. Architecture of these caves is marvelous. An 11 feet high statue of a lion with 2 bodies and 1 mouth in the form of pillar has been carved, which is in single rock. Chariot Temple. A unique feature of Pallava age can be seen in the famous Chariot Temple of South India, which is carved out from a single rock. Kailashnath Temple of Kanchi and Temple of Vaikuntha Perumal are the best examples of architectural art. Apart from above, Mandapas at Mahabalipuram and Chariot Temple of Mahabalipuram are world famous. Each one of them is rock-cut temple. These chariots are named after the names of Pandavas. Chariot Temple of Dharmaraja is the biggest one, whereas the Chariot Temple of Draupadi is the smallest. Temple architecture. Many famous temple architectures are seen with high pedestal and pinnacle with ladder. But some are flat with Pradakshina path encircling the Garbhagriha, innermost part of the temple. The Bhumra Shiva temple near Jabalpur and temples of Larkhan in Bijapur district, copper statue of Lord Buddha in Nalanda, Sultanganj, and Jain temples of Mathura are unique specimens of architecture and sculpture. There is a greater contribution of Pallava kings. Temples constructed in Kanchi, the capital city of Pallavas, are very famous. Tanjavur was the capital of the Chola dynasty. The great Brihadeshwar temple was the first temple constructed by Rajaraja of Chola dynasty. It is about 200 meters high. It is an extraordinary temple of ancient India. Architecture of Gopuram. Gopuram means entrance of the temple. The construction of temples gained momentum due to the encouragement of Pandya rulers of South India. They built high outer walls and beautifully decorated gates outside the temple. The gates of this temple are known as Gopuram. The artistic glory of Gopuram has become more popular than its temples. Gopuram of Kanchi and Madurai gives us aesthetic pleasure even today when viewed from distance. Linear sketch of temple. Gopuram. Gopuram means a gateway of a southern Indian temple. 2 lower stories of temples are convex shape, and the other 2 stories are aloft to make a pyramidal structure that makes the Gopuram strong.
Mandap. It is a big hall constructed on the pillar or in the front of the main gate, where devotees get together and enter into Garbhagruha one by one. Garbhagruha. Garbhagruha means a small and dark rectangular room in which idol is kept. In Gujarat, it is known as Gobharo. Viman. Viman is a part of a temple. It is either semicircle or in the sloping shape. It has many stories and it looks like a pyramid. Pinnacle or Shikhar. The pointed exterior part of Garbhagruha at the top is known as pinnacle. It is plated either with gold or brass.
The Sun Temple of Konark is in Odisha, which is one of the forms of chariot temple. Brihadeshwar Temple of Tanjavur has 13-storied Gopuram. Metallic and stone idols of this age have special characteristic features. Bronze statue of Nataraj is the best example of idol sculpting of that time. Chola temples have their own splendor in age in the field of art and architecture. Meenakshi, one of the huge temples of India, is in Madurai, spread in vast area. It has 4 main Gopurams from the architectural point of view. It is a wonderful temple. In the medieval period, Khajuraho was the capital city of Chandela ruler of Bundelkhand. Chandela rulers built a beautiful temple at Khajuraho. The style of pinnacle varies from others. Khajuraho temples are the finest temples. Jain temples or Derasar. Jain temples are found at various places of India. Vaibhar at Rajgriha, Vipulachal, Ratnagiri, Udayagiri and Shramgiri are 5 Jain temples. There is a Siddhakshetra pilgrim in Samet, Shikharji, and it is known as Madhuban. Adinath Bhagwan and other 20 Tirthankars attained Nirvana. There are temples of Abhinandan Nath Ji and Parshvanath Ji. Bhagwan Mahavir reached here and many sages attained salvation or moksha. There is a Jain temple at Palitana and Shankheshwar temple at Panchasara in Gujarat. Jain temple at Delwara or Mount Abu and Ranakpur in Rajasthan are excellent and wonderful forms of construction carving, artistic skill and sculpture point of view. Especially Delwara temples of Abu, which have been constructed by Minister Vimal Shah, are Vimal Vasahi and other Minister Vastupal constructed Luna Vasahi, are excellent examples of sculpture. These are constructed with white marble. They are famous in India as well as abroad because of their attractive, minute and artistic work of sculpture. These temples are wonderful and memorable gifts of Jain religion to the Indian culture. Jain temples are worldwide famous due to their art of sculpture and architecture. Sun Temple of Modhera. Modhera Temple in Gujarat or Mehsana district was built during the reign of Solanki king Bhimdev I. In this temple, a gem was studded in the middle of the crown of sun god. The entrance gate on the eastern side of this temple is constructed in such a way that the first ray of sun falls directly on the gem, and because of it, the entire sanctum is lit up